Imagine an animal that evolved to run in the plains, hunt in the forests, and sleep under the stars. Now imagine taking that animal and putting it in a small gray box with artificial light 24 hours a day. That animal would become anxious. It would become sick. That animal is you. We spend 93% of our time indoors. We are biological beings living in a digital zoo. This disconnect creates a state of chronic stress known as nature deficit. Your brain knows how to process the shape of a leaf effortlessly, but processing pixels, notifications, and spreadsheets requires massive cognitive effort. In the 1980s, psychologists developed attention restoration theory. It says that urban environments drain our directed attention. We have to constantly focus to ignore traffic, ignore noise, ignore ads. It exhausts the prefrontal cortex.
Nature provides the antidote. Soft fascination. Clouds moving, leaves rustling, water flowing. These things hold our attention, but they don't demand it. They allow your directed attention to rest and recharge. Looking at a tree is literally a charging station for your brain.
In Japan, doctors prescribe Shinrin-yoku, or forest bathing. This is not hiking. It is not exercise. It is simply being in nature. The goal is to bridge the gap between your senses and the natural world. Trees release phytocides, natural oils that lower our blood pressure and boost our immune system. When you practice Shinrin-yoku, you breathe this in. You listen to the birds. You touch the moss. You stop thinking and start sensing. You return to your factory settings. But I live in a city, you say. I don't have a forest. That's okay. You can microdose nature. Studies show that even looking at a picture of nature lowers stress, or just looking at a single houseplant.
Try the sky gaze. Every day, step outside for 5 minutes. Look up, not at the buildings, but at the clouds. Watch them move. That vastness reminds you that there is a world bigger than the internet. It puts your digital problems back into perspective.
We are not machines. We cannot run on electricity and data alone. We need sunlight, we need air, and we need green. So today, go touch grass. Literally, your brain will thank you.